Global warming, the phenomenon of increasing average air temperatures near the surface of Earth over the past 1 to 2 centuries. Climate scientists have since the mid 20th century gathered detailed observations of various weather phenomena such as temperatures, precipitation, and storms, and of related influences on climate, such as ocean currents and the atmosphere's chemical composition. These data indicates that Earth's climate has changed over almost every conceivable time scale since the beginning of geologic time, and that human activities since at least the beginning of industrial revolution have a growing influence over the pace and extent of present day climate change. Giving voice to a growing conviction of most of the scientific community, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) was formed in 1988 by World Meteorological Organization (WMO) and the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP). The IPCC's Sixth Assessment Report (AR6) published in 2021 noted that the best estimate of the increase in global average surface temperature between 1850 and 2019 was 1.07 degrees centigrade, or it can be 1.6 degrees Fahrenheit. An IPCC temperature between a special report produced in 2018 noted that human beings and their activities have been responsible for a worldwide average temperature increases between 0.8 and 1.2 degrees centigrade since presidential times, and most of the warming over the second half of the 20th century could be attributed to human activities. AR6 produced a series of global climate predictions based on modeling 5 greenhouse gas emission scenarios that accounted for future emission mitigation, serenity reduction measures, and uncertainties in the model projections. Of the main uncertainties include the precise role of Facebook process and the impacts of industrial pollutants known as aerosols, which may offset some warning. The lowest emission scenario, which assumed steep cuts in greenhouse gas emissions, began in 2015, predicted that the global mean surface temperature will increase between 1.0 and 1.8 degrees centigrade.